All right, here's the third exercise. So we have this numbers array and a function called except that takes an array and another array. And in this array, we can add the values we want to be excluded from the original array. So this function returns a new array without the values that we have passed here. So if you run this program, we get a new array with these three values, 2, 3, 4, because we excluded 1. Note that it doesn't matter how many ones we have here, so I can add a couple more ones and we still get the same result. Or we can add multiple values here. So let's say we want to exclude 1 and 2. So as a result, we'll get 3 and 4. So get started. You will see my solution next. All right, here we need to declare an array called output and initialize it to an empty array. This is what we're going to return from this function. Now we need to iterate over this original array. And for each element, we have to see if that element is in this other array. If it's not, then we will add that element into this new array. Okay? So for let element of array, we iterate over the original array. Now we should see if this excluded array includes this element. So basically, we're checking to see if the current element is in the excluded array. If it's not, so we apply the not operator, then we will add this element into our output array. So output dot push element. And finally, we'll return output. So save the changes. If we exclude 1 and 2 here, we'll get 3 and 4. If we exclude all numbers 3 and 4, we'll get an empty array.